Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how you can stop getting this kinds of notification on your Facebook. All right, if this is something you want to do or you want to learn about, don't forget to watch this video to the end, and if it was helpful to you, don't forget to smash the like button and not also forget to subscribe to my channel. So now I'm going to open up Facebook and ensure that you have downloaded Facebook on your mobile device, and also ensure that it is updated. And once you get into Facebook, you're going to select that option there where you get your menu, okay, and then you're going to scroll up to where you have settings and privacy, just right here, and you're going to click on this. And once you get your settings, you're gonna have to click on settings specifically, and then once it opens up, you're gonna scroll up to where you have audience and visibility. All right, and so you're gonna have to click on this point that says followers and public content. So you're gonna click on that, and once this opens up, now you are going to ensure that this is public. Okay, ensure that you've put this on public. All right, so this is public, good, and also ensure that this is public. All right, and you say who can see the people pages and all of it, you can leave that one. Also ensure that this one too is public too. Okay, ensure that this is public. Also make this to public. All right, also make this to public. All right, so also make this to public, and also make this public too. So all right, so you can just set everything basically to be public, and then you wouldn't be getting such notifications anymore. If this was really helpful to you, don't forget to like this video, and not also forget to share this video with your friends. Do have a wonderful day, and bye for now.